Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your hands and the surface. Slip on gloves and pick a hidden test spot to confirm finish compatibility. Once done, open the box and remove a single magic eraser sheet. Leave the pack sealed to prevent drying. Dampen the sheet under running water and squeeze out most moisture so it's damp, not dripping. You'll use light pressure at first. This prevents gouging and shows how the pad abrades without chemicals. You should work methodically across the area using straight back and forth strokes. This maintains even abrasion and helps you track progress. Once you see grime lift, make sure to adjust pressure. Light for painted or delicate surfaces to avoid dulling, firmer for grout lines and stubborn scuffs. Periodically rinse the sheet and wring it. Trapped debris reduces effectiveness. If the surface fogs, wipe with a damp cloth to inspect your progress and prevent. You finish by rinsing the treated area and drying it to evaluate the result. This reveals any remaining streaks or missed spots. Make sure to discard the eraser once it crumbles or turns excessively gray, and don't reuse it on new sensitive areas. If you notice surface dulling or light damage, stop immediately and gently buff with a mild polish or cleaner suited to the material. This often restores sheen. If problems persist, consult a professional for repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.